Chinese property giant Evergrande has said it is selling a $1.5 billion stake it owns in a commercial bank, as it scrambles to raise money owed to customers, investors and suppliers.
The almost 20% stake in state-owned Shengjing Bank is effectively being bought back by the bank.
It comes after Evergrande missed a bond interest payment on Friday.
The cash-strapped company also faces a deadline on Wednesday for another bond interest payment of $47.5 million.
Under the agreement announced to the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, the proceeds of the sale will be used to settle Evergrande's financial liabilities due to Shengjing Bank.
This suggests that Evergrande will not be able to use the money raised by the sale for other purposes, including the interest payment for the overseas bond on Wednesday.
The latest payment deadline is being closely watched by investors as they look for clues on the company's ability to meet its financial obligations.
The latest move comes after reports that Beijing has been encouraging state-owned firms and government-backed property developers to buy assets from Evergrande to help it raise the money needed to meet its obligations.
The crisis engulfing the world's most indebted property developer has transfixed global markets in recent weeks as the firm struggled to secure funds to service its more than $300 billion of debt.
Investors have been watching the crisis unfold as the firm teeters between a messy collapse with potentially far-reaching implications, a managed breakup or the less likely prospect of a bailout by the Chinese government.
The company has lost around 80% of its stock market value over the last year.
Last week, Evergrande missed $83.5 million interest payment on an overseas bond, although it did strike an agreement with domestic investors over a $35.9 million payment which was also due.
Evergrande shares were more than 10% higher in Hong Kong morning trade on Wednesday. Shengjing Bank shares are not publicly traded.